create a sample email ID. The following employees as like below sample email ID format. Like now the first name we need to take only one letter, and the second name we need to take full. After that, and symbol we need to use, and emerson electronic limited.com. We have to create like this email ID. Now we will create and see. For this creating, we have to use two function. One is concat and left function. I am using concat to combining that one. I need the first name first letter, right? For that I have left function. The left function I choose that first name. After that, one digit we want. For that I am giving one comma. The second name comma. Now we want and symbol. For that we need to use with the double quotation. We need to mention and symbol comma. And the company name. After that we want dot com, right? For that and double quotation you mention, and again comma, and double quotation, close the bracket, hit enter. Now we have created the successfully email ID. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and share it.